Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this easy one pot cabbage, sausage and rice meal using my rice cooker. Stay tuned. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. So the first thing that I did was I added a little bit of butter, garlic into my rice cooker, and I selected the saute function and added in, I sauteed this for about a minute or two. Then I added in my onions, sauteed those for about 3 minutes, and then I added my sausage. Now bear in mind the sausages are already pre-cooked, so they don't really require much cooking, but I just wanted to saute them a little bit just to get a little bit of color on them. If you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now I sauteed these sausages and onions for, I'd say, roughly about 7 minutes, just to get a little char in them. Now I'm adding in some cabbage. Now I'm using Savoy cabbage, but you go ahead and use any cabbage that you want. I like to use this cabbage sometimes because it's relatively quick to cook. So after I've added in the cabbage, I'm just gonna go ahead now and add a vegetable bouillon cube and just literally saute this now for about another 10 minutes. Now after about 10 minutes, you judge how long or how crunchy, or vegetables can be eaten raw, so yeah, it's up to you, but you don't have to use cabbage. You can use any veggies you want if you want any veggies. Now after this, I'm just gonna go in and add my rice and just give that a good mix. Now I have this liquid left over in my freezer from some previous yellow rice that I did. Now all that's in this is coconut milk, turmeric, onions, garlic and butter. Now if you want to know how definitely in depth how I make this sauce and this yellow rice, then I will leave the link to the video right here so you can go ahead and watch that. Now I just wanted a little bit more veg in it, so I'm just I had a stir fry mix, so I just took out a few of the veggies from there just to put it in there, just to give it a little bit of color and a little bit more niceness going on in there. Now just gonna cover that now. Remove make sure you unclick the saute button, and then you just go ahead and press your button for your rice to cook. Now this cooked for about 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes the meal's basically ready. Now be warned, I'm using a metal fork in here, but do that at your own risk, because it does advise that you don't use it in there because you don't want to scrape up your nice rice cooker. So but I just wanted to fluff that rice up a little bit, so hence, and I do not have a what they call it now, that word there, the rubber looking something. Can't even think right now. Lord, it don't come for me. Yeah, but I made sure I didn't go to the bottom of the rice cooker with it, because me no want to scratch up my rice cooker. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Quick and easy, 25 to 30 minutes, your meal is ready. Now the only problem that I found with this was the bottom was a little bit burnt, but the Jamaican people say that's a simple thing that don't worry about that. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Shellz Homestyle Kitchen. Now I'm just giving you a little close-up view for those of you who's not convinced that the rice cook. Yeah man, the rice cook man. Can't go wrong with a rice cooker, Yes, I love the easy life sometimes. Sometimes you just have to opt for the easy life. You know, bam, 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 boom, bang, bang. Everything just ready one time. Leave it, go about your business, do what you have to do and come back and dinner's ready. And also, you know, it does switch to the keep warm function when you're finished. So, you know, go and pick up the kids from school. Go and do what you have to do. Food ready when you come back. There it is, guys, my one pot sausage, cabbage and rice dinner meal, whatever you call it, ready in little and no time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thank you again for watching, guys. Bye. Catch you in the next video. Ta-da.